Hey my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits, and in today's episode I am going to show you how you can create captivating dynamic captions like big YouTubers using nothing else but your smartphone in Filmora. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright my dear friends, so this is a very direct feature. Once you open Filmora, you are going to find it right here, the dynamic captions, okay? So after just selecting right here, you have to import the video on which you wanna add captions onto. Alright, so right here I'm going to select this video right here and then go ahead and import it. Alright, so as you can see right here, the captions automatically start generating. Alright my dear friends, so once the captions are done generating, you are going to see this option right here with a lot of templates that you can choose to use. Alright, as you can see right here, there are pro templates right here and also these ones which are free. Alright, so you can browse right here to find out which exactly template can suit your video the best. Alright my dear friends, so right here I think I'm going to select this template right here and try to use it. And as you can see right here, you have an option just to select your video at once, or else if you want to do something to that captions, you can use this option right here, which I'm going to use so that I can show you some of the things which are very necessary. Okay, alright, so right here you can see this is a very common project that we have right here, the timeline and everything else. Alright my dear friends, so the very main thing which is very important right here is that you can resize here and change the position where your captions are going to be on. So right here you can actually move it around, change the size, okay, just from the previous screen. Alright, so after you have done that, you still have an opportunity to change the template from all of these you are seeing right here, okay? And after that, you can also change the style. You can pick up any of these colors, the one that suits your video the best. Alright, and the next option right here is to choose or change the font, okay? Alright, so right here my dear friend, I just want to choose a different font right here, which is very popular font, okay? And you find it here, okay? So this is a new font that I want to try, but I think it's not very suiting on this particular type of a video. Alright, so I think I'm gonna change it and make it something else. Alright my dear friends, so just after you have done that, this is how exactly the video is going to be looking like, okay? So here's the preview.
It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are, and your self-worth is determined by you.
Well my dear friend, this is all in this captions episode. If you find it helpful, please like the video and then subscribe. And until we meet in the next episode, peace.